Solution from here, from what we have here, follows a times a, which is the same thing as a squared. That is, here you can write it as 5 raised to power x squared equals to 1 around 5 here. So this also follows when we have a raised to power m raised to power n. This same thing as a raised to power mn shows this power multiplies, and we have 5 raised to power 2x equals to 1 around 5 on this side. Then here we take the log on both sides. Here we have log 5 raised to power 2x equals to log 1 around 5 here. And this follows the power law of logarithm. That is log m raised to power p, same thing as p log m. That is, the power here is 2x. What we have becomes 2x log 5 equals to log 1 around 5 here. Then let's separate the log to one side by dividing both sides with log 5. Divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. So here, log 5 cancel each other here. And we have 2x equals to log 1 around 5 over log 5. That is, next step here, let's break 1 around 5 into a factor. That is, we have this become 5 times 21. So what we have becomes 2x equals to log 5 times 21 over log 5. That is, we apply the law of logarithm. And when we have log a times b, this is the same thing as log a plus log b. So here we have 2x equals to log 5 plus log 21 over log 5. This follows when we have a plus b over c, which is the same thing as a over c plus b over c. Also here we can write it as 2x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 21 over log 5. Then log 5 cancel each other here, we have 1. What we have becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 21 over log 5. The next step here also, write 21 as 3 times 7. So this equation becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 3 times 7 over log 5. That is, also we apply the law of logarithm, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 3 plus log 7 over log 5. Also, separate this into two fractions. We have 2x equals to 1 plus log 3 over log 5 plus log 7 over log 5. Then, applying change of base, that is log a over log b. This same thing as log a to base b. Then what we have becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5. We divide both sides by 2 here. Divide this side by 2. Also divide this side by 2. That is 2 cancel each other. And we have x equals to 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 over 2. Then we have the value of x in this problem as 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 all over 2. Let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 all over 2. Then what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 over 2 times also 5 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 over 2 is it equals to 1 and 5 on this side. Then this follows when we have a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This is a raised to power n plus m, which is same thing as a raised to power 2m. So here we can write this as 5 raised to power 2 times 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 over 2 is equals to 1 and 5 on this side. Okay. This power multiplies 2 cancel each other here. We have 5 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 is equals to 1 and 5 on this side. So we apply the law of indices since a raised to power n plus n can be written as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. Here we have 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 7 base 5 is equals to 1 and 5 on this side. Then 5 raised to power 1, that's 5 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is b. So here, this is 3 times 7 is equals to 1 and 5 on this side. So 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 7 equals 1 and 5. This equals to 1 and 5. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude here that the value of x, which is 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 all over 2, satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.